Financial notes, how to raise money. How to attract money. A note on various ways and rituals of attracting wealth. Description of magical conspiracies. There are a few simple rules by which money flows in people's lives. It's worth trying to figure them out. Money reciprocates those who love them. Desire money with all your heart, cultivate a sense of wealth in yourself. Speak more often to yourself, I am rich, I am beautiful, I am healthy, I am happy. Accept gratitude for compliments and gifts. Otherwise, you will receive them less and less. Those who do not like money, are afraid to be rich, that one can never have a lot of money. Create yourself some kind of money ritual and use it whenever you want to receive money. Listen to a special song if this desire arose during the day. Or take a 5 ruble coin, another white metal coin, if this money ritual is evening. Imagine that you are holding a silver coin in your hands, show it in the moon window. Say the magic phrase 3 times, silver money, a powerful moon, give me wealth, give them in full. Money goes to money. Have you ever wondered why rich people get richer? Because each note attracts other notes. It is figurative but effective. Try and you attract money. Put one unchanged bill in your wallet. $1, €1 or 10 ruble note. Mentally magnetize this bill, hold it in your hands often, warm it with your heat, imagining that it is a magnet and attracts banknotes to itself. But never give this bill to anyone, do not pay it in stores. Money account love. It really is. Be sure to count the change in stores, do not throw money into your wallet randomly. Fold them neatly, bill to bill. And count your money with love and adoration. Money is not friends with envy. A man consumed by a painful feeling of envy will never be happy. And money is a subtle substance, they will never go where they live poorly and miserably. Eradicate your bad feelings for other people for your own sake and for attracting finance. Money loves movement. Do not bury them, do not save money for a rainy day. You need to make savings in the amount of about 20% and only for a dream, for a good purpose. All other finances should work, move. You can invest in business, in your favorite hobby, in children, in relatives. Money will be returned to you with a vengeance. As you can see, it's not difficult to attract money to yourself, you just need to set a goal and love yourself now, consider yourself rich today. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.